The ocean is true freedom. Sailing Prepper here. Come along for the ride. Enjoy the show. Sailing Prepper here. Today, let's talk about what does worry me about sailing a boat. Is it storms that I can outrun? No. Is it volcanoes or typhoons? No. Or could it be sharks? No. I'm in a boat. I'm pretty well safe from a shark. What it could be is lightning. Lightning scares me. Why? Well, because it will shut off all your systems, and then all those other things that everybody's worried about do come in effect. Okay? When lightning runs, all your systems shut down. And if it hits your mast and destroys your mast, then you don't even have sails. So that's why that scares me. I've even tried to get graphene to see if that would work. I called somebody for that. However, found out that I cannot find anything that will work. So if anybody has any suggestions to protect yourself from lightning on a boat, please do. The only thing I've been able to understand and possibly figure out is possibly, and I'm not sure about this, is putting rubber on your boat around the mast. Now, that aside, I do know somebody who has had a lightning strike on their boat. Now, they all survived, and they were close enough to shore that they could get there. Audrey at Sailing Miss Lone Star, and I would suggest anybody check out her YouTube page or her Facebook page. She is really well knowledgeable about this. Well, she got a lightning strike, and she kept her boat and got it fixed up. She had a 29-foot cal, and now she has a 51-foot Formosa. The idea is you're putting a lot of money into something, and if you're going into a live-aboard boat, and part of being a prepper is part of this. Again, on Bitcoin, when it comes to Bitcoin, it's gone up to 15,000. You want to make money, you want to get it in before it goes up too high, till where it gets to the point where it's going to start dropping again. Now, beyond making money with it, it is a prepper's paradise to have Bitcoin because it is out of the control of the governments. And, you know, it would be a good thing for people to actually deal with and have. Short show, I guess. Sailing Prepper signing out.